Hey there everybody, I'm back again with another quick and easy video for you. I ordered the StartX wireless wireless remote starter, this one, off Amazon. I think it was 160 bucks. I ordered it last night and it got here at 5 p.m. So I'm going to give you guys a quick rundown on how to install it. I've never installed one of these on any vehicle. I have a 2012 Dodge Ram 4500 with the 6.7 diesel. I have a manual transmission, so I gotta remember, I guess, to make sure I put it in neutral. But all right, yeah, I guess let's get this thing turned around here and we'll learn together. Okay, have a little bit of light set up here. So the only thing I've done so far is take out these two screws. One was here and one was here on the bottom of this kick panel. And I'm assuming you pull, oh Jesus, okay. You pull, that was pretty violent, but going through the directions here, I kind of read through it already. I'm kind of knowing already what to do. I guess the big thing here, it seems like, is it comes in two pieces. You have this one, and you have this little wiring harness. Apparently the big thing here is to plug this one in first. So you're going to locate, it says a plug in the back of this, which is the ignition. So I'm assuming it's this black plug. Okay. So I guess this fits into there. That way. Okay. Perfect. Okay. And then this end, I guess, goes into here, right? Plugged right in. Solid. Good to go. Okay. Now, like I said, this is the only part that looks different. You're going to plug in the black one at the same time you're holding that programming button down. Let me see if I can prop you guys up here. Okay, so hold down the programming button. It says that the LED should flash momentarily, then let go. So plug in, let go. Okay, so the blue light is lit. That's good. So they said, now insert the remaining connectors. Okay, so we'll do this one. This one. And this one. Okay, now it says insert key to the run position, or to the on or run position. It should flash rapidly. Perfect. Now it says turn the key in the off position, wait for LED to flash rapidly again. Flashing rapidly. Now it says press the lock button. And it goes off. And now it says, congratulations, the module is successfully programmed. So that was it. We got some zip ties in here to hold that up there, but let's see if this thing works. Okay, so we'll go out here. I made sure we're in neutral. Yes, we are in neutral. Okay, so here's a lock to lock it. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Wow. Heck yeah. So in under 5 minutes, let's see if we can turn it back off. So 3 more and she's off. So that's crazy how simple that is. Again, guys, I'll put a link down in the description to this unlock. to this guy here. Again, it's called StartX. Again, it's called StartX Plug and Play Remote Starting Kit. And I think these are for hood. This is for the hood. I'm not going to use this. Let me get this all zipped up in here and I'll come right back to it. Here it is all buttoned up. Remember, screw here at the bottom, screw here at the bottom, and then underneath it just came with these little, as you can see, not great quality from their zip ties. They just snapped on me a bunch. You pull them tight and they snap. So I'll use two of my own, but I don't know if you can see in there, I just have it folded up twice and secure. So let's give this thing one last shot. So again, make sure you're in neutral if you have manual transmission. And 1, 2, 3. Wow. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you want to see. Like I said, I just got this truck a couple weeks ago, so just doing some quick little upgrades. But if there's anything specific, drop it below. Have a good night.